Hello there guys, I'm back and now I'll be reacting to another Soyoung song. And thank you so much for those who reacted, who leave a comment on my Soyoung reaction videos. And for those who watch my videos, thank you so much. Now we'll be reacting to Soyoung's I Have Nothing, and she got 1.3 million views. This was 3 years ago, EMC Festival 2015. So without further ado, let's watch the video.
Take me for what I am, 'cause I never change my colors for you. Take my love, I never ask for too much, just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again in this passionate sight. I can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more time.
She's enjoying this very difficult song.
I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again in this passionate sight. I can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. You're the love I remember forevermore. Don't make me close one more time. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay by lives if you dare. Must I imagine you there?
Soyoung is undeniably a very great talent, and she's enjoying this very difficult song owned by Whitney Houston. Guys, speechless. Soyoung is indeed great, and I think she's enjoying the whole song. Her pipes is undeniably great, and the vocal acrobats, my god, I can say anything about it. Anyways, if you have any songs you want me to react, don't forget to comment down below, click the like button, and smash the subscribe button. Bye!